So I'm an active 45-year-old woman. I'm a mother of 4. I'm a nurse. I work long shifts in the OR, 12 to 16 hours at a time. I'm on my feet a good bit. I enjoy tennis. I play 2 to 3 times a week. I do cardio, I ride my bike, I lift weights 2 to 3 times a week. So I'm very active. So I was playing a tennis match and I had a knee injury. I noticed pretty quickly that my knee wasn't functioning right. The swelling started, followed by pain. I tried the usual treatments, rest, ibuprofen, ice, and it did not get any better. So I followed up with a surgeon that I work with, and he ordered an MRI. Unfortunately, the MRI showed that I had significant damage to the cartilage, and I had to be referred to Dr. Jones, who is a cartilage expert. I became very fearful because sports is such a big part of my life. I didn't know if that was going to be the end of it for me. I didn't know if I was going to be able to continue to play tennis, play sports with my kids, even my job. But when I met with Dr. Jones, we talked about my options, and CartiMax seemed to be the right fit. With CartiMax, I could have a 1-stage surgery, did not require multiple trips to the OR. I could go in, fix it, and then get back to the rehab and continue on with my life. That seemed like the right fit for me. So the day of surgery, I showed up. It was a simple outpatient procedure. I met the anesthesia team. They did a pain block before surgery so that when I woke up I didn't have any pain. I went home with non-weight bearing and a pain ball that gave me pain relief for 3 days. And then after that I used oral pain medication until it was relieved. About a week later I started with some small minor weight bearing activities and progressed till at 3 months I was doing normal activities including climbing stairs and walking around without problems. At about 6 months, I was riding my bike regularly, playing sports with my kids, and then at 10 months, I was back on the tennis court. So now here I am, a little longer than a year out. I'm playing tennis 2 to 3 times a week competitively. My local team even has competed on a state level. And when I'm on the court, I don't even think about my knee. I enjoy the sport and have a good time. I don't even have pain. So I'm very thankful that I met the right people. I got introduced to CartiMax, and it really was a positive experience for me.